Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle Spieler, professional makeup artist of 30 years. We're going to jump right into why I think you need the Mandelic peel. Okay, this is an at-home peel. You are going to get esthetician worthy skin. Okay, this is going to look like you spent $120 on a beautiful facial. This is a superficial peel, mandelic acid. It's a 40. If you have sensitive skin, rosacea, or you're a teenager or you have acne, those four things, you can get the Mandelic 22. I got the big bottle. You can get smaller bottles, but I got the big bottle because I knew I had problems with some sunspots and some hyperpigmentation, and I'm like, give me the big bottle. We're gonna do this. Now, Tuesday night, I have a huge dinner with NARS here in Nashville. Tuesday night, big dinner with NARS. I want beautiful glowy skin. This is Friday night. Now, you don't get downtime with the Mandelic peel. You're gonna get maybe tiny little flakes that you can easily hide with really good skincare and makeup. I wouldn't do anything heavy like a foundation, but certainly a skin tint, a tinted SPF, beautiful, okay? Maybe. Some people don't even get little peels. Leading up to this, if you are wanting to get rid of brown spots, sunspots, hyperpigmentation, and you are a Fitzpatrick 4 or above, okay? I'm probably a Fitzpatrick 2. Maybe I'm a 3, 2 or 3. But if you are deeper than me, you can get post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation if you don't take some proper steps. One of the steps that Platinum Skincare recommends is their Fade Bright. And if you use this every night for about 2 weeks leading up to a peel, you will not get the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, okay? I used to use this every night, Fade Bright, and then now I'm on to growth factors, but I probably need to revisit that because it's really, really good. And this really faded my sunspots. I probably use this every night from the end of May until Christmas. It's really good. Okay, so I want to show you how easy this peel is. I want to do this really quickly. You're going to wash your face. I like doing Mandelic peels on Friday nights because then all weekend long, I'll just wear like a glowy tinted SPF or just a plain SPF and let my skin breathe. And then boom, on Monday, I'm ready to start filming and doing makeup again. Okay, I also like to take a little bit of Aquaphor or Vaseline. This is what I like to do. I like to go in that really tender area around the nose and kind of up into the nostrils just a little bit. Not up inside, but kind of that opening. And then I also like it in the corners of the mouth, okay? There and there. And then I'll even take a little bit. I'm not going to go near the eye. This is more if you're doing the TCA eye peel, which by the way is so good. I have that too. But I like to go around the eye a little bit, but we're not going to drip in the eye. I've done this many, many times. You're going to take a gauze. I like to just go ahead and buy the gauze from Platinum Skincare. By the way, if you don't know, Platinum Skincare is who makes the Mandelic 40. I also have their TCA. I have their eye peel kit. I love Platinum Skincare. And I want to show you how easy this peel is and how anyone can do it at home. I've heard some of you say, oh, Michelle, I got the peel. I've had it for a few months. I'm scared to use it. There is nothing scary about a Mandelic peel. It's very superficial. It has large molecules, which means it's not going to penetrate deep. It is not going to be irritating, but it's going to give you, it's probably the peel I love the most for the most beautiful glow where people are in your face going, what did you do to your skin? It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I love Mandelic. It fades sunspots. It fades melasma. It fades any hyperpigmentation. It's even good on like surface wrinkles, like, more surface wrinkles, not really, really deep wrinkles. It's great. It's great. I love Mandelic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a gauze square and I'm gonna fold it like this. I like it to be kind of about this thick. That's just me, you don't have to. And then we're going to, look at this, just saturate. You probably wanna wear gloves because it is an acid, but I like to get this nice and saturated. You never want it to be dripping, okay? So I just do this a few times so it's nice and wet, but watch this. I'm gonna squeeze it. Oh, one drop. Okay, that means it's not too saturated. You don't want it dripping because you don't want any acid going in your face. But I want to show you how easy this is. Okay, you saw me squeeze it. One little drop came out. I have it fully saturated. My skin has been double cleansed, and then I took a pre-prep solution, but basically it's like isopropyl alcohol. This is from a different company. You can literally take isopropyl alcohol. I know that sounds crazy. Why would you put that on your skin? It's called defatting your face, okay? Getting any oils off your face. Take a cotton ball or a cotton pad and swipe your whole face with isopropyl, okay? Make sure you're good and dry. I'm good and dry right now. And then you saw I like to put Vaseline just in those few spots. And then I like to do my peel very evenly. So do you see how I'm not really overlapping, okay? I like to go in this area because I definitely have some deep lines that have formed. I call them marriage lines, okay? Go down the nose. Look at this. We're gonna swipe. We're gonna swipe. We're gonna swipe. We're gonna swipe. Come over this way. We're gonna swipe. We're gonna swipe. Do you see how I'm not like super overlapping? I'm just doing a nice even layer, okay? You don't really go around the eyes. I mean, you can kind of go slightly around the eyes. I like to do my brow bone because I'm starting to get a little crepey, wrinkly there. But it's not for eyes, okay? Now, I did one even layer. Right now, it's like the tiniest burn. Please don't be afraid of the burn. It does not hurt. It is not intolerable, but you can always keep a nice fan or like just a traditional fan, and you can just do this. It feels maybe the tiniest bit prickly. It's nothing like a TCA. I promise it's not gonna burn and hurt like a TCA peel. Okay, and you want to work up to 5 minutes. So if it's your first time trying Mandelic, try wearing it 2 minutes or try it 3 minutes. If you can handle that, wash it off, and then in 2 weeks, you could do it for 5 minutes. The thing I love about Mandelic is you can do this every other week. And when I tell you, you are going to lighten all your pigmentation, nothing works better. I absolutely love this. And then Fade Bright. Amazing, amazing together. Okay, I'm gonna go check the timer. I'm leaving this on 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, it's been over 5 minutes. I just went to check on some emails. I didn't even need the fan, but I've done Mandelic for about a year now. This might only be like my 7th peel in a year. I really want to do it every other week, but I've got this crazy filming schedule, and even if I have little flakes, like sometimes I do real close-ups for brands, and nobody wants to see flaky skin. So sometimes I'm limited, but you're not. You're probably not. You could definitely go about in public. No one would ever see. You could go to work. No one will ever see. I mean, no one's this close to your face, but look at that glow. Okay. I'm going to go wash this off. This neutralizes with cold water. Do not use soap. Do not rub your face. You just did an acid peel. Splash lightly with water and pat gently to dry. I'll be right back. Hey, I'm wide awake. That cold water really woke me up. But I mean, look at that glow. Isn't that incredible? You'll have the tiniest little like rosy color, like the lightest little sunburn, but it really feels so good. It's just a little tiny bit maybe prickly. But that's it. That's all you have to do is rinse it off with cold water. As always, go to the Platinum Skincare YouTube. Jennifer does the most informational videos you'll ever see. Please follow her. Please follow Platinum Skincare. You do not need this huge bottle. You can buy tiny bottles. I started with tiny bottles, and then when I knew that I wanted to do Mandelic regularly to lighten my sunspots, I bought the big bottle. And I've had this for a long time, and I've had this for a long time. Like I said, I've maybe done 6 peels out of here, and then I did 1 peel out of those littles, okay? So how do you finish with the peel? You could buy their emu oil. Their emu oil is amazing, but I just washed my hair, okay? I have freshly washed hair, and I don't want anything sticky on my face. I don't want Vaseline on my face tonight. I don't want emu oil. I'm gonna go in with some human growth factors, which really help heal. It expedites healing, and that's what I'm gonna use. And then right before bed, I'll probably put on my Sonia Roselli barrier cream, probably in a little bit, because that'll really protect my skin and it'll feel so good. Okay, there you go. I wanted to show you how easy this peel is. It's so easy. I promise you cannot screw this up. It is the prettiest for glowy skin. You will get a ton of compliments from everyone in your life. With continued use, it will fade sunspots and any type of melasma or hyperpigmentation. You know the steps you need to take if you're Fitzpatrick 4 or above. And if you're really nervous about starting a Mandelic peel, and you shouldn't, it's very gentle, you could always do the exuviance. This is the performance peel. I've done this before on video. This is 25% glycolic, Mandelic, and PHA, and it's a 2-step. So you start with, you open up a 2-packet and you swipe the whole face with like the acid pad and you leave it on, and then there's a neutralizer pad and you neutralize the face. You get 13 peels. They say you can do 1 to 2 a week, so this could last you anywhere from 6 to 13 weeks. I want to say this retails for maybe $68. I'll tag it in the video just so you can see it. But this is a great at-home peel, and you will look like you had a professional facial. Or you can do the Platinum Skincare Mandelic. It's my favorite peel. I have lactic acid, I have glycolic acid, I have TCA, I have Jessner's. This is my favorite because of no downtime, and it gives a glow better than any peel I've ever done. Okay, so there you go. I hope that I've, helped ease your fears a little bit. There's nothing scary about a Mandelic peel, and you will be on the road to beautiful, glowy, brighter, clearer skin, and you can thank me for it later. Okay. Bye for now. Sorry I didn't do milk makeup today. It's a long story that I'm not going to get into, but I had to do a peel tonight anyway, so why not document it, okay? I love you. God loves you, and I will see you next week. Bye for now.